See, I just want to give you guys reason of why we have failed marriage. Because when I go into social media, they see divorce here, divorce there, divorce here. I don't know why they carry reason now. But the reasons, one of my reasons is that people will say love at first sight. You come out, you see a girl, you've never known this girl before from Adam. You've never met, you never even, and two never even get a word of. You approach her. Less than 2 months, you come with engagement ring for marriage. Brother, you did very funny. Oh. Why, how, and when the marriage will carry last? Those days of our fathers, you will say when they want marry, they will take time, check the person, family, check in lineage. They check and they come till you boils down to the particular person. Those days no day again. You just see one girl, one random person, maybe not for eatery or for where for shop right. Anywhere, one or two just meet. You just see and say, because the person she wear clothes to enter your eye. Or she get shape will enter your eye. He say na love at first sight. Less than 2 months, you give the person. You not even take time to study or to know who the person be, where in from, in background, and how in lifestyle. You just jump. And before you know, you don't marry. Then you are thinking that that marriage will last. It will only take the grace of God for that particular marriage to last. Because first of all, you need to understand this person. You need to know what and what the person likes, when to interact with the person, and when to communicate with the person. Because you know, you just see one random person. Everybody life, the way you live your life and the way the next person live his life are not the same. So how do you expect that you just meet somebody with a different upbringing, a different training, totally from different tribe, not from your place, not from your tribe, who goes okay because of saying that the tribe this say they know most do things like minds. Different tribe, different religion altogether. You just meet the person less than 2 months, wedding. Can't they expect say that marriage go last you now go date the old age. Now only God will fit help you for that particular marriage. Because you need a stable, you need to see how the family do things and all that. Because you get some people who will say their family they influence them. Some their mother feel they influence them. Some their fathers feel they influence them. Some their aunties and their brothers feel they influence them. Then if you know say that person and that particular person, then how will you know? Small time wey issue go come out for the family, don't run, go meet the person for advice. And if that person is not a straightforward person, if that person in brain know the house, or you know the wish the person is not happy concerning the marriage, how did you think good advice can come out from that person to the so-called person you said you get married to? Now anything the person tell her, now you go take. Come out from the marriage, how the person go do like that, how the person go do like that. That is what the person will react to. I'm not against you saying the person, you talk to the person, they said lover. I'm not against that too. But please, when doing that, you need you just need definitely to study the person closely to know. Check, make friends, ask the person, even a person who won't marry, ask. Check extended, check the family, check in brothers, check in siblings. You need to travel down to the place to see how far. How did they live? How did they do? What did they do? Whether the person, whether the person won't marry, whether the person will say, if your father talk to her, you go listen to your father own. I be if your mother talk to the person, you go listen. I be in brothers. Whose person advice when they listen to before you jump into marriage. If not, if you do like that, you have a failed reason. Secondly, you see the word understanding. Most times, this marriage now something we say. I don't know how some people they carry the reason I'm but is they grow, they grow, they grow gradually. The day you got married, you can't day one. The next day is day 2. Some people are celebrating 20 years of marriage. If they grew gradually until the day life take on two from this planet Earth. That is the day it will stop counting. So when as they grow like that, you have to have that understanding. The understanding might come because issues never come, una never born. When I get this flame vibe of this one, it just day, this no child coming around, when I feel the flow. But if pikin don't they involve for the family, that is another different thing entirely. That is another stage of understanding. Because now, okay, now, if you see that your wife or that your husband, where they up and doing the run, they go. Then maybe, okay, for example, now I just say wife, let me just call wife now. That your wife now, when she no carry belly, she should not take in. She dey very flexible. Anytime you call her, has choice, she dey do her. Many times she's always there for you. But when she don't take in, did you know women where they pregnancy, they that thing another life, another way of themselves. They transform them. Let me just use what they transform them. The way they reason and the way they do before, maybe the way they go fit do. Marriage get different ways where they carry they torment women. That fit dey now. If it like say, yeah, babe, abeg go. As I dey comot now, they go work. You go do this one for me. You go help me watch. You go help me do. Then you no say maybe that woman they get pains. Or they feel that pregnancy now, they make her feel weak. Now you don't come back now. That clothes, that thing where you say make him do, she need one. You will not ask or check to find out what in the particular cause. You will just bump into now you are not time being lazy. She by that time you get some pregnancy where we say when they see herself pepper body, they worry them. Good. It's on her own. She don't throw back the word at you. Exchanging of word don't come. Una go exchange. But if you get this understanding, say yes, say when that's on that one I've been there, no baking don't come out, say on just day, say another stage, now being pregnant. The next one, na children. You can't go enter door, you say baking don't come house. Your house, the way they carry keep your parlor, way on two, they carry arrange on that thing, now baking don't come out. That time where baking day, where they cry, way more than one pay attention to that baking. It's very different. Where you can call, I beg, help me do this particular thing. Definitely, that woman will pay attention to that child than you. Then now there where the understanding will come in. Because that time we're supposed to give you now in the give her now to that newborn baby. That is stages of understanding. Then the beginner don't come grow now. Come the worker. He has more attention to pay to that child than you. He boils down to understand. Then, secondly, now the growth of the marriage. How you want see this family carry grow. You get some women will say they are just okay where they are. So far I say you go work, come back. You give them money, maybe they cook. Just anything, maybe they want plate, you give them money, maybe they plate, buy clothes, you give them, they are just okay. Some no just want contribute to the financial growth of the family. As you don't marry them, they don't say and say their own. Nah, compulsory, you must take care of the family. When you find out that your wife is such a person, if you don't get this understanding of talking to her or make her see life the way life is, you must have a broken home. Because there's no two ways about it. If you don't come get financial crisis or financial issues, she go fit dey storm your brain, worry you the way be say you no go expect am. Before you know, I no do again o, I no do again o. Divorce don come. Make everybody dey in day, the way dem go take put am na general word. Dey your day, make I dey my day. Family don break with that. Then the next is the family growth. That family growth now no definitely mean say yes, say you go see as things be. Now, when your children don't come in, your wife don't come in. You as a man, now this one boils down to you. What will you do for that family to grow, to have that capacity? to grow, it boils down to you. If you no fit achieve that particular thing, this one, your pikin now go go this way, this one go go this way. You are not able to fund. You no come become that man, that father wey dey give the oya take. Daddy, I need 1,000 for my school. I need 2,000. You give. Oya manage do. Then you come be say you come dey left behind. You just leave everything like that. Then now the children now they counter for themselves. The wife now they counter for herself. You they counter for yourself. Only yourself. Everybody do you. Definitely you have a broken home. Because if you call this one, I beg, I might go do, because everybody is fighting for survival. That family will not hold. That one lead to break. As in, it is scatter family. Nothing scatter family past that one. Then the one you could do now for you to get this family understanding, how to put your family together. If you don't have this understanding of putting your family together, it will definitely lead you to a broken family. Because that time where you don't say this one don't they go wrong, this one don't they go wrong, this one don't they go wrong, you know call that family together. Talk to them, put some sense into their head. You leave them, make everybody do what they need. You don't lost your family automatically as a man. You've lost it. Before you go try to put those families together, your children, your daughter, your wife together, you man yourself, you know, if you put yourself together, don't lost it totally. That is the most responsibility why they get broken homes. You see, divorce here, lack of understanding, family understanding, family building, family responsibility, family ability to do so. And waiting they definitely cost the break. Etta scattered family here, divorce there, divorce. Now waiting the cost that. If you fail to have all these things I made mention, sorry, that is your name.